Good afternoon. My boyfriend and I will go on a trip to the Eje Cafetero at the end of November, and we will celebrate this birthday. I will stay at the Coffee Tree Boutique Hostel of 2 days, and there night. The next day, we will go to the coffee park where we will go up to the roller coaster, aquatic mountain, and in the evening we will go out to dinner at La Potrera Campestre. And the next day, we will visit the Cocora Valle, and we will visit the Palma de Cera. We will go to dance and enjoy a cocktail, tropical cocktails. Then we will return to the hotel, and we will visit the hot spring in Santa Rosa de Cabal. There we will have lunch and take many pictures. Will be your beautiful memories. Finally, we will travel that night to Bogota, and then we will take a boat back to Capitanejo. Bye bye.